Την είδα την Ανθούλα, την είδα ψεσαργά να μπαίνει στη βαρκούλα, να πάει στην ξενιτιά. Hello. What a nice ice cream you've got there, baby.
What are you doing with that?
I'm just recording on the mic for the audience to hear how beautiful you are.
What are you doing?
I'm hitting on you, baby. Can't you just see? You have a piece of your very nice ice cream for me?
Okay, look, sorry, if you're not going to leave, I'm leaving.
But no, I mean, maybe we're like apples and oranges juice, Bruce, but we can make a wonderful juice. Come on, let's just eat something together.
No, I'm sorry, man.
Come on, but why not?
Look, I'm just a normal dude with normal thoughts. I'm not interested, okay?
Normal? Dude? Come on, everybody knows what there is inside of you. Everybody knows.
Everybody see this.
Yes, don't leave me alone. Come on. Hey, come on. Hey, I'm running a big risk here. I mean, I'm risking everything for you. Can you see that? Everybody knows me here. I'm becoming a fool. Please, don't go.
No, I'm sorry.
Come on, but why? Just give me a chance. Just only one chance. You know, I can be very romantic. I can be like every other man, like you. Like, I can make you really happy. Really. I mean, I swear. Yes. Really. Me and you and me. So happy together.
No, I'm sorry.
Just tell me your name, please. Giorgo, Christo, Costa, Constantine? Constantine, I got you.